Hey everybody, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the base of the triangle is given as 2b square minus 6b plus 4 and the height is given as 6b square plus 2b plus 2. So we have to find the area of the triangle. Now area of a triangle is given by the formula half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So in this case, area will be half multiplied by base is 2b square minus of 6b plus 4 and height is 6b square plus 2b plus 2. Now what we can do is we can take 2 common from the first pair of braces. So 2 and 2 will cancel out each other and we will have b square minus of 3b plus 2, and over here we have 6b square plus 2b plus 2. Now the calculation is going to be a bit complex, but let's not lose hope and carry forward our calculation. So b square multiplied by 6b square plus 2b plus 2. Then we have minus of 3b multiplied by 6b square plus 2b plus 2, and then we have plus 2 multiplied by 6b square plus 2b plus 2. So it will become 6b raised to the power 4 plus 2b cube, and then we have plus 2b square, and then we have minus of 3b multiplied by 6b square, so it will be minus of 18b cube. So let's write it below the term having b cube, and then we have minus of 3b multiplied by 2b, which is minus of 6b. So let's write it over here, and then we have minus of 3b plus 2 multiplied by plus 2, which is sorry, I made a small mistake over here. So minus of 3b multiplied by 2b will become minus of 6b square. So let's write it below 2b square, and then we have minus of 3b multiplied by 2, which is minus of 6b, and finally we have 6b square multiplied by 2, which is 12b square. So over here we have 12b square, and then we have 2b multiplied by 2, which is 4b, so plus 4b, and then 2 multiplied by 2, which is plus 4. Now let's all add this up together. So 6b raised to the power 4 will remain as it is. Then we have 2b cube minus 18b cube, which is minus of 16b cube. Then 2b square plus 12b square is 14b square. 14b square minus 6b square is 8b square. And then 4b minus 6b will become minus of 2b, and finally we have plus 4. Therefore area, or rather we can say required area will be equal 6b raised to the power 4 minus of 16b cube plus 8b square minus of 2b plus 4. So this will be our required final answer. Thank you and have a great day.